Hello, everybody. This is Deborah. This is Deborah Cooks in Brooklyn, my Instagram account. And my website is cookingwithdeborah.com. I just turned on my wok because I'm getting ready to make this dish, shrimp lo mein, which is on my website, all right? I'm also on cookingwithdeborah.com on Facebook, okay? And I am actually trying to make this video. And also I'm trying to record on my digital camera. So I have all my ingredients right here. I'm gonna turn the fire down really low. And I'm gonna put some oil in this here wok. I'm just gonna drizzle enough for now. Okay, olive oil. And I'm gonna let that go on low before I do anything because I have to stir fry these shrimps, okay? So right now, I'm gonna tell you what I have. I already made the lo mein this morning, and I also made a video of that, okay? I have my shrimp that I cleaned and deveined already. I have my parsley for garnish, basically. I have my scallions, the white and the green. I have my red onions or purple onions. I also have my fresh garlic that I chopped up. And I also have my red pepper flakes, okay? I also have my soy sauce and my stir-fry sauce, okay? And I have my little seasoning that I whipped up just for the shrimp, okay? So it's just really a little bit of garlic, a little bit of parsley, a little bit of kosher salt, because you really don't need that much. And I'm just gonna mix it together because I'm gonna stir fry these real fast. And it's not, oh, this pan is hot too. You don't really need a lot of, you move it over from then let it cool off. You don't really need a lot of salt because the soy sauce and the stir fry sauce, this is 2 tablespoons in each little dish, okay? And I already told them about the lo mein. You can find the lo mein at your Asian supermarket, okay? In the freezer department. So I'm trying to be real fast. This is really my first video. So I got the shrimp on. Got this putting the shrimp on. All right, I'm gonna turn the fire up higher now. Wash my hands right quick. They're gonna cook really quick. Really quick. Really quick. Because this is a quick dish. This is a quick dish. And they should cook fast. So they basically got to turn it back up. I didn't want it to scorch out. They cook fast. So I really love shrimp lo mein. And it's an easy dish. It doesn't take long to make. But I did cook the lo mein, one less ingredient I have to make. I don't know if I'm going to edit out my voice and just how you have the writing on the screen. Oh man, the alarm went off, y'all, and it stopped my video. So I know I'm going to have to edit this for sure. I forgot about that. Oh my God. This is terrible, right? My first video, it just messed me up. I might have to redo it, probably. But anyway, I don't want to cook them too much because they got to also go back. So you see they're not cooked all the way for a reason because they're going to cook some more with the lo mein, okay? So I'm going to take them out. That really messed me up. You turn down the fire. I'm going to add some more oil. Okay, because I'm going to turn it down a little bit. One thing about the wok, you got to be real quick with this wok. Okay, so I'm going to put my onions in here. I'm not going to use all of them, okay, because I don't need them. I really don't need all of them. I'm just going to make enough. If I've cut up so much, and I like to have onions cut up sometimes. If I know I'm going to make a dish, I'll chop up my ingredients earlier. It just makes it easier. It really does. It helps. So as you see, the shrimps are not cooked all the way. And I'm going to add a little bit more onions. I like these vegetables. I'm gonna put them all in there. I like this stuff in my lo mein. That's what makes it, you know. I'm gonna cook them up a little bit, seconds, not a lot. Is it? I don't even think this is recording. Lord have mercy. Is this recording? Card full? You kidding me? Oh my God, the card is full. Oh no, I've been making so many videos. Well, we're gonna have to go with this one because this video just stopped. This camera, it says the card is full. I'm so upset. Oh no, wow. Okay, so anyway, let's add the greens. That's why you need, and I have another card, believe it or not, but oh well. We're gonna go with this one with my iPhone camera. Not all the way close up, but it's gonna do the job. Thank God I had a backup, right? Oh man. So we're gonna keep on going. This is my first video. I'm gonna post this video so y'all can see things do happen. And as you stir frying, I'm gonna say this. Sometimes you may need to add a little bit of oil. You have to be the judge of that, okay? Because a wok should really cook really fast. But I don't wanna get crazy. So I'm gonna see how it's sauteing down. Look at it, see? Okay, you see? And I love this wok. And I'm gonna cook some more. I'm gonna cook down. Sometimes I don't want to burn it, the pan, so I'm gonna turn it down because I'm trying to hurry up in this video here. So you see what happened, guys? You're trying to do a video for the first time to post. The card is full because I've been recording videos on this card. And I never did it before. So now I'm experiencing this on my first video that I'm supposed to post about my shrimp lo mein. Wow, things happen, right? It really does. Okay, so it's still cooking down. Basically, that's pretty cool right there. So now I'm gonna add, and in 1 second I'm gonna turn it down. I'm going to add the lo mein back in here, and I'm probably going to have to add oil on the lo mein because that lo mein is actually dry. So I'm going to add my garlic now because I didn't want it to burn. That's my fresh garlic. This camera was so good because it had a close-up view. My digital camera. I'm just learning, too, y'all, how to operate my digital camera. I'm so upset. How could this happen to me, right? Things happen, right? Okay. Well, we're going to keep it moving. And I didn't even pan it too much because it was nothing I could do. Okay, so this is all cooking down. You see how that look? Can you see, guys? I'm gonna turn it over because I lost that camera over here that was directly. My digital camera was right there. I lost it. I'm so hurt. Okay, so you see all the vegetables and stuff is already where you want it to be. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these back in here. Okay. Put my shrimps back in. Okay, I'm gonna add that in. And this is a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper flakes. I'm gonna put that in there now too, as well. I should have really put them in there so they can get heated up with the veggies, but it's okay. Either way, they're gonna do the job. Alrighty, so, and then in a minute, I'm gonna add my. Now my soy sauce, my noodles are probably a little bit of dry. I'm gonna add a little water on, just a little bit, because I made them earlier, right? And they had too much time to sit, and I didn't put any oil on it, and I don't want to put oil on it because they're gonna get oil right in here. Okay, so I'm gonna add my lo mein. See this? Look, and I even cut some up. It looks like I need to cut some more. Put them in here, let them just heat it up. I just wanted to put water in there to loosen them up. Okay? And if you feel like you need, it's a lot of oil in this pan actually. So I'm gonna keep on. I'm gonna add some more. Put them all in there because I know how to work it. You just work it. You just really stir fry it. You see this? Look. Look what I'm doing, guys. It's so easy to make this dish. There's nothing hard about this dish. Nothing. I just don't want my noodles to stick. So I have it down a little low, look, because it's cooking fast, but it's going to cook the rest of the shrimps, okay? Because the shrimp, remember, was not cooked all the way. So basically, I'm just really cooking the shrimp all the way. And the heat from it will do it anyway. So they were semi-cooked because I don't want them to be tough. Because shrimps will get tough real fast, guys. Oh my God, it was horrible. Okay. And now I'm going to add, I'm going to cook a little bit more. So you see how it's looking? You see that? You see that, guys? You see that? What's my camera over here? I'm so mad. But it's cooking. This is a fast cooking dish. So you see, I'm bringing it all together. So now I'm going to add soy sauce. If I feel like I need more, trust me, I will add, but I don't think so. And remember, the soy sauce this is low sodium soy sauce. This recipe is on my page. I just wanted to share it. And then I'm going to add my stir-fry sauce. Right. And then, you see that? You see what the stir sauce is? It's really the stir-fry sauce turns it a little brown quicker. So, just let it keep on doing its job. You know, I make a mess when I cook sometimes. That's the way I do. And I don't have to add any more soy sauce, but I just may. Or stir-fry sauce. I'm gonna taste it first. Let me taste. Let's see, do I really feel like? Because I need to know, what am I doing? Turn it down low. Do I really want to add any more stir-fry? I don't think so. You don't have to. You really don't have to. I'm telling you. That is just enough. Unless you just want to brown them. I'm going to plate this so you guys can really see what it looks like. It's done. You don't even need to put no more soy sauce because I'm telling you, this tastes good. This tastes really good. You do not need to plate anything. You do not need to add any more anything. And so I'm just going to put a little bit in this bowl. Oh, wow, so nice looking. This is so good. This is delicious. Oh gosh, I love this dish. And it's so easy to make. You don't even need to do that much. Because as you saw my ingredients, everybody, which I wanted you to really see me actually make the dish. I'm just going to plate it with a little bit more. Okay. And then I'm going to sprinkle it with some fresh parsley. And guys, there you have it. Shrimp lo mein. My way. And this recording been going on, this one 9 minutes and 34 seconds. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope you make this dish and I hope you really enjoy it now that you saw the video. Have a good day everybody. Bye.